thesis statements. I feel that thesis statements have gotten a bad rap, and I have a feeling it's because us English teachers try to overcomplicate things. So today, let's simplify. And I am going to give you the simplified version of what a thesis statement is at its core so that you can use these for any of those papers or any of those instructors that you're writing for. So in essence, I do say to keep the thesis statement, again, at its core to one sentence. And it has two components. Number one is you want to have a limited subject or a limited topic. You need to have something that you're writing about. And number two, and most importantly, is you need to make a stance, right? You need to have an opinion about that subject matter. And if you don't like those words, say make a claim. They all mean the same thing. And the way that you can check whether or not you've made a stance or you've made a claim or you have a stance is, can somebody disagree with you? Can somebody say the opposite? If that's the case, then you're right on the money and you are good to go. So let's pick a controversial topic. Let's just say abortion. Yeah, that's my subject matter. That's my topic. You can have an opinion about it and say abortion should be legalized in all 50 states. And then think about it. Can somebody say the opposite? Absolutely. You can then also have the thesis statement, abortion should not be legal in all 50 states. Yeah? Those are both thesis statements. And then what that becomes is your thesis statement becomes the main idea or the main argument for the entire essay. Yeah, whether it be one paragraph or 72 pages, it's for the entire thing. You're only going to have one thesis statement, one main argument that has a limited subject and a stance. And that's it. That's all a thesis statement is. And if you have any more questions because you've heard that it's overcomplicated, and sometimes your instructors are going to give you a different format. They're going to do that because they want to help you structure whatever that essay or that assignment is. All right, so follow their guidelines. But again, keep remembering at its core, it's a subject matter with a stance, and you're done. So if that was useful to you, please let me know. Write them in the comments or give a like to this video. If you have any further questions, I'd love to know them so that I can answer them. So just write those down in the comments. I do have some videos related to paragraph structure and essay structure. So if that's of interest to you, I'll be sure to link them somewhere here. And then I am on Instagram, y'all. And I do post a lot related to students and student life and adulting. So if that's of interest, I'll post that here as well. I hope y'all are doing great. Have a good day. Bye.